Hi! The team of 200 Italian recipes want to show you how easy it is to cook Italian food. Here, we're going to demonstrate almond pie, recipe number 6 at page 111, section Cakes and Pies. The preparation time is about 40 minutes, and the cooking one is around 30. To prepare this dish, we need the following ingredients: 3.5 ounces of white flour, 14.1 ounces of milk, 1.8 ounces of Italian amaretto cookies, 1.8 ounces of shelled almonds, half a packet of vanillina, 1 egg, 1.8 ounces of sugar, 2.1 ounces of butter, and salt. The number of servings for this recipe is about 4 people. To obtain a bigger result, just double the amount of the ingredients. Let's cook! Boil the milk on a low fire, adding a pinch of salt. Pour flour and stir with a whisk so that the dough embodies some air. Remove the dough from the heat and let it cool a little. Add crushed macaroons and 0.8 ounces of chopped almonds. Add 0.8 ounces of sugar, vanillin, and the egg yolk, keeping the egg white. Keep it stirring. Whisk the egg white until stiff and add it to the mixture. Grease and dust with flour a pan and pour the mixture into it. Heat the oven to 356 Fahrenheit and bake it for about 30 minutes. When baking is done, remove it from the oven and arrange the remaining almonds and sugar on the top. Put again in the oven until the top is chilled. Turn off the oven and wait some minutes before removing the cake. Did you see how fun and quick it is to prepare healthy and light meals following the Mediterranean cuisine? Visit our website 200italianrecipes.com. You can download some free recipes or join our complete collection.